Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to book a hotel in Tripadvisor. So the first step is to simply go to tripadvisor.com, and if you want you can simply create your free account, and after that you're going to have to simply click on hotels, and then here you're going to have to simply search for your destination and then simply click on search. Then here you're going to have to select the check-in and the check-out, and then simply choose how many rooms, how many adults and children, and then simply click on update. And then here you can see different results. So as you can see, basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on view deal. Then you're gonna get redirected to another page. We're gonna have to simply set up the payment and everything. So as you can see here, we just got redirected here, and now what you're gonna have to do is to simply click on any of these, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.